Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're going to present about the project group assignment sheet metal fabrication. The title of this project is donation box. The names of group member is first Muhammad Faris Aiman bin Yus Mizan, second is Muhammad Zulkarnain bin Zakaria, third is Nur Atira Batisha binti Mahazir. Introduction. Sheet metal is any metal formed into thin malleable sheet. The sheet range in material from brass to titanium and come in a wide range of predefined thickness reference to as a gauge. Typically, most sheets are less than 1/4 inch thin but can range in thickness from fraction of a millimeter to several inches. This project will build a security system for donation in the prayer hall. Although there are safety donation boxes sold in the market, but the cost is very high. This makes it difficult for the prayer hall who do not have enough funds to buy it. Therefore, this project is designed with low cost and high quality to enable the surah to have this donation box. The objective of this project is is to produce a donation box with specific dimension by using fabrication process. Second is to identify and select the suitable tool for fabrication process. Third is to understand all the safety precautions when working in the workshop. Fourth is reduce cases of money theft at the surah. 5 is overcome the problem of surah fund security. Next is design process plan. This is the first part of the project. This design plan contains a specific dimension of the project. So with a design process plan, we can run the project easily. Next is the second part of the design. It displays a dimension of the length, width, and angle that we have planned based on the project. As for assembly part, we combine part 1, which is the base of the donation box, and part 2 to be as a closed door. The part 2 be more like a sliding method, so the best way of lock is by lock top of the box. Since the side of part 2 quite thin and hard to a locking mechanism.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faris Aiman bin Yus Mizan dari DPN 3A. On the next slide, we have explored the part in which has been given two different parts. Number one is the part 1, which is formed as a base for the purpose to collect money, to keep the money at the inside of the donation box. And the second part is a piece of sheet metal that can be used as a cover to take the money inside the box. The piece of sheet metal can be opened by sliding up and down, only. Now move on to the process plan. Number 1, make a 90-degree at the sheet metal before starting a project. So any kind of sheet metal that need to be 90-degree before starting project, so to gain our accurate dimensional, or to create a dimensional. Number 2, mark using scriber at the sheet metal using the drawing that has been sketched. For our reference, until that this purpose is using for our reference when we have marked the specific dimension that's wanted to be folded, shearing, or mending process. Number 3, use bending machine to form any degree at the sheet metal. Just like I said, the bending machine, just like I said, we use as a we use as a reference that has been marked with a scribble and folded according to a specific degree or according to a required degree. Yeah. Number 4, use punch and hammer to mark the place that want to be drilled. These are used for making a hole that can be rivet using a riveter gun.
Okay. In process plan at a 5, we use a drill to make a hole in sheet metal. In this part, we use to make hole to assembly all the part together to do our job. Process plan is 6. We use a rivet to attach the tie to the back of the object. After we get the hole, we use the rivet to assembly the part. And process plan at the 7, use the attach to lock on the surface sheet metal. We get the hole and we use the rivet. We permanently use the rivet to lock the surface at the sheet metal. And the last one is finishing project. You can see in the slide my team project finishing is donation box to prayer hall. You can see it. In the conclusion, learn how to produce donation box with specific dimension. The second conclusion, solve and reduce any defect or imperfection of the product. Other than that, learn to identify and select suitable tool, and then we understand all the safety precaution when working in the workshop and working principle of folding machine. That's all from my team, and thank you for all the work we do in this SEM. Thank you.